Meaning of evaluation.
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 Evaluation. Evaluation refers to the process of assessing, analyzing, and determining the value or worth of something. It is a critical examination of something to determine its effectiveness, efficiency, quality, or accuracy. The result of evaluation can vary depending on the context it is used in. It can be positive or negative, indicating strengths or weaknesses, improvements or setbacks. In general, the purpose of evaluation is to provide feedback, identify areas for improvement, and inform decision-making. It is an important tool in various fields, including education, business, healthcare, research, and more.